Review City Cashmere Kiss Lip Lights. First is Almond, then Sweetheart, Amor, then last two shades are Fawn. Yung Fawn yun nasa last shade, and the other shade is Truffle. So here are all the shades ng City na kanilang lip liner. Lip liners are so good, so easy to use, and I super love it. Whoa, wow. Very comfortable to use, and I'm proud na pwede ka na magkaroon ng lip combo with this one. Yun lang, finish na. This is Amor. Then we're going to use another shade. So this is Sweetheart. Ikaw natin. A pretty cute lip combo. Let's find a Cashmere Kiss lipstick. So, gamitin natin ang favorite ko si French Rose. I love it. With the Cashmere Kiss lip liner and lipstick all in one.